10 questions to look into in pig farming. You can add your contributions in the comments if you have any explanation to any of the questions. I'm all set to also learn from you. The first question, what will make a sow reject a boar? It happens when the sow is not fully on heat as you interpret it. When girls and potential boars stay in the same room for almost their lifetime, they can choose not to mate each other. When there is injury at the back of your sow or gilt, mounting by the boar causes pain, hence the resistance. There are other factors as well. The second question is, why will a sow die during farrowing? Crossing of the birth canal by piglet is one cause. Piglet comes using its side or any other part instead of the usual head first position. When this happens, we say the piglet is abnormally presented. There is a term called uterine inertia, experienced mostly by fat sows with large litter. The uterus needs to keep expanding and contracting to expel the piglet. Fat sows easily get tired and give up during the contraction and relaxation process. This is often due to heart failure. When these sows are dissected, piglets are often found in them. One reason why you should not rejoice when your breeding sow or gilt are becoming bigger and bigger than normal. The third question, why do litter size start to reduce as a sow progresses with number of pregnancies? As the number of times a sow farrows, egg production begins to decline, leading to fewer eggs for fertilization. In this case, we advise you kill the sow when you start observing this. And the fourth question, why will a pig fail to feed? Early weeks of pregnancy can cause reduced feeding, but if this behavior continues, she might be aborting her litter. Also, a lack of drinkable water for the pigs will make them feed less. Don't focus on feed always, check with the water supply as well. An infection as well as stress resulting from hot temperatures are equal factors. The fifth question, why will a pig refuse to grow no matter what? When pigs do not start right while they are still young in their piglet state, they will struggle to grow. Allowing young pigs feed what is meant for mature pigs affects their absorption and digestive system at large. Piglets are naive and will want to feed what their mother feeds if allowed. You either wean them once they show interest in their mother's feed or prepare them a crib feed in a separate bowl inaccessible to the sow. Failure to grow could also result from poor hygiene in your pen. Humid environment and smelly pen are all causes of diseases, and diseases can eventually affect how your pigs should grow. Why will a pig die suddenly without any signal? There might be an underlying health condition that went unnoticed. It could also result from ingestion of toxins from the spoiled food, especially the mycotoxins, which is toxins from fungus. Another cause of sudden death of a mature or growing pig is rotation of the intestine, often leading to a rapid cut in blood supply to the various parts. The intestine can just trace at once and then cutting off the blood supply, leading to the death or sudden death of your pig. The seventh question, how can I keep growing my farm without practicing inbreeding if I don't also want to buy any new pig from another farm? You select potential breeding stock with desired traits and practice what we call the line breeding. Same boar, same sow litter must not be allowed to cross each other. But the piglet from one sow and those from another sow can mate without any serious implications. The eighth question, why do small looking gilts suddenly look big after second parity or farrowing? It's due to hormonal changes. Tissues need to expand to contain piglets, and it is the reason why they increase in weight and size all of a sudden. Help us grow as a family by subscribing and liking the video.